Hello, dear students. Nice to see you again. I hope everybody is fine today. Lastly, we studied how often question and we answered some frequency adverbs. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Also, we talk about times expressions. Once a week, twice a day, okay? Don't forget this. Today, we will make a general revision of the unit. Let's start with sports. Okay. We have some sports here and play, go, and do verbs. How can we use these verbs? Play, go, and do. I remember we used play with the ball games and team sports mostly. What is a ball game? Football, basketball, tennis can be, okay? Go with an ing form of the activities like skiing, climbing, okay? What about do? We use do mostly with fighting sports and individual sports, not team sports, individual, only you and single sports you are attending. Okay, let's start with the first sport, cycling. So ing form, go cycling. Karate. Karate is a fighting sport, so do karate. Basketball, ball game, so play basketball. Trekking, trekking in the nature. What's that? Go trekking. Volleyball, play volleyball. Golf. Golf is a kind of ball sport also. You hit the ball with in golf, okay? So play golf. Swimming. Swimming, go swimming. Archery. You have bow and an arrow there and do archery, we say. Do archery. Handball, the handball ball game, play handball. Jogging, jogging, a kind of running also. Go jogging, go running. Yoga, yoga is an individual activity, so do yoga. Ice skating, go ice skating. Tennis, tennis, you have a racket and hit the ball, a ball game, play tennis. Judo, it's a fighting sport, I think, fighting sport, do judo. Baseball, again a ball game, you have a bat and this is bat and you try to hit the ball with the bat. Climbing, go climbing, rock climbing. You try to climb the rock, mountain, climbing mountain. Skiing, a kind of winter sport. You go skiing in winter. And wrestling, now this is ing form, but a kind of fighting sport. So we use do wrestling. Hiking and trekking is the same. Nature walking, go hiking. You got rucksack or backpack, hat, and you walk in the nature. You walk in the nature. Okay, now we will try to choose the correct option. A, B, or C. Okay, we have some categories here: indoor sport, winter sport, outdoor sport. Remember, indoor and outdoor, inside and outside. This is easy. Team sport, you have a team, more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. And individual. What is individual? Only one, single games. And we have an equipment here also. Let's start. Is an indoor sport. Wrestling, football, skiing. So football and skiing, you play football or go skiing outside. So wrestling, you need a ring for wrestling. Indoor sport. 2. Winter sport. Winter. Remember the seasons, summer, winter, okay? So snowy weather. What is that? Skiing, yes. Swimming, climbing, but skiing. Okay. Is an outdoor sport now. Outdoor. Surfing, you need C here in the board. Table tennis, you have a small racket and the ball, like ping pong, we say. Handball, or table tennis and handball, we have a place, but surfing is outside. Team sport, you need more people. Tennis, football, ice skating. Which one? You need 11 people. You need 11 people for a team. In football, you need. Okay. Swimmer uses. We need an equipment. A swimmer uses a ball, a helmet, or goggles. Ball, helmet, goggles. So swimmers uses goggles. Is an individual sport. Individual, not a team sport. Handball, you need a team. Volleyball, you need a team also. Archery, you are alone. The archery, okay. Now, take the odd one, different one. Okay, we will try to find a difference. Swimmer, archer, athlete, draw. Swimmer is a sportsman who swims, sportsman. Archer, who do archery, a sportsman. Athlete, who do athleticism, no athlete. And draw, what's that? Draw means 1-1. Score is equal. When you have the same score, like Fenerbahçe 1, Galatasaray 1. This is draw. Okay. Racket, gloves, team, helmet. Racket is an equipment. Gloves, you wear your hand, make boxing. In boxing, you can use gloves. Equipment. Team. Team means you have a team with more than 1 people. So helmet, you wear on your head. Equipment, so team is different. Ice skating, equipment, jogging, skiing. It is easy. Equipment, why? Because ice skating, jogging, and skiing, they are sports. Equipment is another word. Sometimes, usually, never, spectator. Sometimes, frequency adverb, usually, frequency adverb, never, frequency adverb, but spectator, they are people watching the games, Spectators, fans, ole, okay, spectators. Injury, comb hair, have dinner, get up. Injury, what is that? When you broke your arms, I got injury. 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 But comb hair, have dinner, get up. These are routines of the day, but injury is not a routine. This is a bad thing happen for sportsman. Now we have some questions and the answers here. What does Martin do? What is that? We ask about his job also. What does Martin do? What does your father do? He is a doctor. Okay, remember what does Martin do? We will try to find job. What was the score? Score 1-2, 1-1. Okay, is a draw or not? Do you have a special diet? Yes or no? Special diet for eating habit. Where can you do boxing? Where? We are fine. We are looking for place. How often? How often do you go swimming? Always, usually, or times. Once, twice, remember. What is draw? Remember the last slide, we explained it, I think. Which equipment do you need? Equipment do you need? For maybe helmets or knee pad, maybe goggles. Which equipment do you need? What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is football. What about you? Okay, let's see. What does Martin do? Where is an activity or answer for an job? C, he is a sports person, sportsman. Okay, sportswoman or sportsman or person, we can say. What was the score? It was 2-1. Was past. Okay, what was the score? It was 2-1. Do you have a special diet? Yes or no? Yes, I always eat healthy food. Healthy. Where can you do boxing? On a ring. Yes, place we are looking for. How often do you go swimming? Twice a week. 2 times. So twice. Twice a week. Maybe Saturday or Sunday. 2 times. What is draw? Draw. E. Both teams have the same score. 1-1. Same score. Which equipment do you need? A racket and trainers. A racket and trainers for your feet. You wear, okay, on your feet. And the last question, what is your favorite sport? Cycling. Okay. Now we have some verbs and words here. Gloves, you wear hand. Never, a frequency adverb. Football, you know. Trains, what's that? You do workout for a game. Footballer, you know, water, court, and the gold medal. Let's see. Helen, blah, blah, 3 hours every day, 3 hours. What does Helen do? Helen trains, do exercise 3 hours every day. Rafting is a water sport, we know. Okay. I have a special diet. I never eat unhealthy food. Unhealthy. I always eat healthy food. George trains hard because he wants to win. You want to win what? The gold medal. Gold medal. Okay, Cristiano Ronaldo is a famous footballer, we know. Players play tennis in a where do players play tennis? Court. Very good. And blah blah is a team sport. You use your feet to play it. So football is a team sport. Boxing is an indoor sport. We need an equipment for it, gloves to do it. Okay, dear students, now we made some revision for Unit 2 sports. Thank you for listening and watching me. On next lesson, we will go on Unit 3. See you on next class.